Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at tooltips and popovers in SpreadsheetWEB UI components. Tooltips and popovers are informative messages that will appear next to an input control when the user enters focus on that field. Let's see how this works on an example. Here I have an order entry application that can capture user details and order information to generate a quote. We can add tooltips or popover messages to give our users more details about specific controls. You can change the tooltip and popover properties of a control by opening its Options menu in the User Interface Designer. The Tooltip Type property allows selecting between a tooltip and a popover. The main difference between the two is that tooltips appear when you mouse over a field, whereas popovers are displayed when you click on the control. When you select Tooltip, you're going to be able to enter the Tooltip text into the Tooltip content box underneath. This property will show the special tag friendly name by default. You can enter any text here. For the special tag, note that you must enter it inside curly braces if you decide to remove it and then add it back again. This tag will insert the name of the control into this section of the text, as it is defined in the control name for that control. In this case, the friendly name is going to print Customer. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes. Let's move on to another control and use Popover this time. Selecting Popover Type will create a new option that will take you to a rich text editor where you can define the text to be displayed on the Popover message. The Popover text editor also allows modifying the HTML content of the text to be displayed by clicking the Code button. This will switch to the HTML edit mode where you can enter your own HTML text. This way, you can also use style sheets in the contents. In the text editor, you can use double curly braces to insert any single name range from your workbook. When you start typing double curly braces, you will see a list of available name ranges. You can add formatting to this field by adding a colon after the name range, and then a semicolon to edit the formatting details. Click the X button to the right to close this page. The Tooltip Position will determine where on the control the message is to be displayed. By default, this is set to bottom. Now let's do a preview and see our changes. When a user hovers their mouse over a control with tooltips enabled, they will see the tooltip message. The popover message will be displayed when a user clicks into that control. In this example, the name range order total is printed on our popover here.